Okay, so we've got our skewers all skewered up here. We've got the tandoori chicken, and it's still another tandoori chicken with a slightly different flavours. Some fenugreek leaf and stuff on it. It smells absolutely beautiful. And we put the potato on, helps protect the bottom of the meat, and it certainly helps it so it doesn't slide down. So the temperature at the moment on the wall temperature is about 400, so she's pretty hot. So we're just going to put these in and let it do its business. And just put the lid over like that. So we've been cooking now for about 15 minutes approximately, and our chicken is pretty much done. So it's looking exceptional. Look at that, it is absolutely gorgeous. And the thing is too, what you got to remember is the heat runs up the skewer, so you get the radiant heat right round the chicken, but the heat, until never touch these, I've already touched one, and man, she gets hot. So the heat runs all the way up the skewer, so it's cooking that chicken from the inside as well. So it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Give that a little brush up with some ghee. That'll be awesome. But we'll go and do some, plate these babies up. So we're going to make a little wrap out of this little roti bread. You can obviously you know, have it with your curry and bits and pieces, but you just wrap that little baby up like that. Eat it. Oh, 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 oh. That is next level. That is so good. You have to excuse me, I can't stop. Oh, get into this. This is good. You can do this at home. This is really special.